So I'm about to give you the 3 best affiliate programs for personal trainers. So if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it's pretty much where you promote a service or a product, and for every sale that you generate, you get a cut of it. You get a nice little commission, all right? Now there are thousands of affiliate programs out there, but I'm about to share with you the 3 best, especially for personal trainers or fitness instructors. So the first one is HealthWage. Now, if you're a trainer, I'm sure you've heard of HealthWage. It's the company that allows people to get paid for hitting their weight loss goals. All right, so the person goes to HealthWage page, they put in their weight loss goals and the amount of time that they say they can achieve that goal and how much money they want to put up, right? How much money they want to wager. And then HealthWage actually will tell that person, how much money they could make if they hit their goal, right? Now, a lot of people don't know this, but you can be an affiliate of HealthWage, all right? And so for every person that you get to join HealthWage, on average, you usually get around like $50. Sometimes they run specials where you can even get more money, but pretty much around that $50 mark for every person you bring in to HealthWage. It's pretty much what you're gonna get. Now this is a perfect program for personal trainers because it's so easy to present this to people. All right, so if you got clients, right, you can just either tell them about HealthWage straight up. Just be like, hey, you know what? I don't know if you ever heard of HealthWage, but if you want some extra motivation, you might want to check this out. And you could just send them the link or whatever. Or you can just passively promote it. So say you're a personal trainer. Obviously, well, you should be on social media or have a YouTube channel, something like that. So you can just do videos about it, not even tell it to your clients personally. Let them see you talking about the HealthWage opportunity and let them ask you about it. So those are 2 very easy ways to earn some commissions from HealthWage. Now, to get involved with HealthWage and become an affiliate, you need to sign up with a company called Share a Sale. All right, so just Google Share a Sale. You got to create an account with them, and then all you need to do is do a search for HealthWage and apply. All right, a second affiliate program that is great for personal trainers, and I am sure you heard of this website, and it's Amazon. All right, now I've talked about in many videos, the one thing I don't like about Amazon is their commissions is piss. All right, I ain't gonna lie to you. You looking at when you sign up anywhere from 2 to 6% for every commission that you get, whatever. And granted, that money can add up, all right, because Amazon is so huge, right? It's so easy to send somebody an Amazon link because they're so familiar with the website. And I mean, it's just nothing for people to, buy from Amazon. So once again, it is super easy to promote Amazon links as a personal trainer because you can casually, recommend, different things like supplements, workout equipment, Fitbits, things like that. And then if your client seems interested, hey, you just shoot them your Amazon affiliate link. Now, one thing that I do like about the Amazon affiliate program is say you recommend something to somebody, right? Say you recommend some protein for $40, right? If that person buys that protein, your commission, it might be $3, maybe $3, maybe $2-3, right? And that's man, that ain't nothing. The hell? But the way Amazon set up, if that person, I don't know if it's 30 days or whatever, but whatever that person buys from that link in a certain period of time, you get a commission for it. So this is super dope. So say that person buys that protein for $40. All right, you got $2 commission. That's trash, right? But say the next day, the person sees something and I'm going, crazy. But just say that person's you know what? I'm tired of my personal trainer. I'm going to get my own treadmill, right? So say that person goes back on Amazon, they get a $1,000 treadmill. Now you just got another commission. Now you might have got an extra $60, $70 commission just off of that. And just say maybe the next day they might get, I need a treadmill mat. That mat costs $100 or whatever. Now you just got another $10, $15. So the money can add up with Amazon, but I love it because it's super easy to promote. Now, a third affiliate program that is dope for personal trainers is LiveGood. Now, if you haven't heard of LiveGood, you watching the right video, all right? Because LiveGood is popping right now when it comes to the online money making opportunities out there. But LiveGood's primary products right now are in the health and wellness industry. Now, eventually they're planning on expanding out, whatever, but right now their focus is on health and wellness. Now, what they do is they offer their products at an extremely discounted price for LiveGood members. Now, to be completely real with you, when you hear about LiveGood right now, a lot of people are talking about the business opportunity behind it, because LiveGood is one of those affiliate marketing / network marketing opportunities. I would say 80% of people talking about LiveGood are talking about the business opportunity, right? But a lot of people don't realize that you can actually become an affiliate of just the products if you want to. Now, you have to become a LiveGood affiliate, right? And to become a LiveGood affiliate, it's a one-time $40 fee. But this allows you to not only become a LiveGood business builder, you also can just become an affiliate of the products. So this is how the LiveGood affiliate program works. All right, so you just want to promote the products and earn some commissions. All right, cool. So what you're going to do is you're going to send your LiveGood retail page to your potential customer. All right, so when they look at this page, they'll be able to see all the products, blah, blah, blah. Now, the price on that page for that product, take, for example, just say protein. Just say, for example, say protein is $30 on your LiveGood page, right? And that's actually a good price, right? That's a decent price, right? They pay $30. But remember, there is a membership price for LiveGood members. So say the member price is just say $20 for the same protein, right? So there's 30 retail and $20 for members. So if a customer just buys off your retail page, your commission is going to be 50% of the difference, all right? So the difference between $30 and $20 is $10. 50% of that is $5. Right? So you're going to earn a $5 commission on that sale. A lot of people do not either know about this or talk about this when it comes to LiveGood, because some people don't want to build a whole home business and build teams, and that's fine, although it could be some dope ass money. But some people just want to promote the products, and they can do that. You can do that with LiveGood. And the funny thing is, that $5 commission that you're going to get for selling LiveGood protein is way better profit than you would if you sold a protein from Amazon. Because remember, Amazon, a $30 supplement on Amazon, that commission is probably going to be like $1.50, $2, right? With LiveGood, you're looking at $5 to $6. So just like with the first two programs, this is super easy to promote. All right, because once again, you can just straight up recommend products to your clients, or you can just talk about LiveGood passively on your social media or your YouTube channel. And it's that simple. And you can actually have people, asking you, like, hey, what was that you was talking about on your Facebook about that plant-based protein? What's up with that? Boom, I got you. Send them the link to it. Get your commissions, right? Now, the beauty about all three of these affiliate programs that I talked about is you can do one of them, you can do two of them, or you could do all three of them. So these programs, without a doubt, is a dope ass way to add some new income streams to your fitness business. So if you want more information about becoming a LiveGood affiliate, all you gotta do is click that first link in the description.